Traveling with checked luggage always comes with risks, whether it's lost bags, damaged items, or even theft. But your checked luggage will be safe with these tips, helping to ensure that belongings arrive safely at the destination. Airlines handle thousands of bags daily, and not all of them receive gentle treatment. That's why taking precautions can make a significant difference in avoiding inconvenience and stress. Before getting into the essential strategies for securing checked luggage, subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and advice. Let's get started. Number 1. Choose the right luggage. One of the most important factors in keeping checked luggage safe is selecting a durable and secure suitcase. A suitcase made from polycarbonate or aluminum provides strong protection against impacts, making it less likely to crack or tear open during transit. Soft-shell suitcases, while lighter, are more vulnerable to cuts and tears, which can expose belongings to damage or theft. The zippers and locks on a suitcase also play a crucial role in security. A double-coil zipper is much harder to puncture than a standard zipper, preventing thieves from using pens or sharp objects to pry open the bag. Investing in a suitcase with built-in TSA-approved locks can prevent unauthorized access, while still allowing airport security to inspect the bag if needed. Suitcase handles and wheels should also be sturdy, as broken wheels or weak handles can cause problems during transit. Spinner wheels provide better maneuverability but can be more prone to breakage, so reinforced wheels with metal axles are a better option for travelers who check their bags frequently. Choosing a suitcase with a unique color or a distinctive luggage tag can also help prevent mix-ups at baggage claim, reducing the chances of someone mistakenly taking the wrong bag. Number 2. Use a high-quality lock. While many suitcases come with built-in combination locks, using an additional TSA-approved lock adds an extra layer of protection. These locks allow security agents to open and inspect luggage without damaging the lock, which is especially useful for international travelers. Cable locks are an excellent option for securing multiple compartments, ensuring that every pocket remains closed throughout the journey. Luggage straps with combination locks not only provide additional security, but also help keep the suitcase tightly sealed, reducing the risk of accidental openings. For added security, locking zippers together with a small padlock can prevent thieves from quickly unzipping the bag. Even though determined thieves may find ways to bypass a lock, having visible security measures makes a suitcase a less appealing target. Some travelers also use tamper-evident security seals, which can alert them if their luggage has been opened before reaching the final destination. These seals don't prevent access, but serve as a warning sign that something might be wrong. Number 3. Remove old baggage tags. Old baggage claim tags can cause confusion during handling, leading to bags being sent to the wrong location. Many travelers overlook this small but crucial detail. Before every trip, removing outdated baggage tags ensures that airline staff correctly scan the current destination barcode. Mismatched tags can result in bags being misrouted or delayed, leading to unnecessary frustration. Even though airline systems are designed to prevent such mistakes, manually removing old tags significantly reduces the chances of errors. Another tip is to use a strong and clearly written luggage tag with contact details, including an email address and phone number. In case a suitcase gets misplaced, clear contact information makes it easier for airline staff to return the bag quickly. For extra protection, placing a printed itinerary inside the suitcase with personal details can help ensure that even if external tags are lost, the luggage can still be identified. Number 4. Wrap the luggage for extra protection. One of the best ways to prevent tampering, scratches, or damage is by using plastic wrap or a reusable luggage cover. Many airports offer professional luggage wrapping services, but travelers can also do this themselves, using plastic stretch wrap or protective fabric covers. A well-wrapped suitcase discourages theft, as it takes more effort to break into a covered bag without drawing attention. It also protects against rain, dirt, and rough handling, ensuring that the suitcase arrives at the destination in the best possible condition. Luggage covers are a great alternative for those who want reusable protection. These covers, often made from elastic fabric, help protect against scratches and spills while making bags easier to identify at baggage claim. Number 5. Pack smart and distribute weight evenly. Packing efficiently not only protects belongings, but it also reduces the risk of theft and damage. Valuables such as electronics, jewelry, and important documents should always be carried in hand luggage rather than in a checked bag. For better weight distribution, placing heavier items at the bottom of the suitcase helps prevent shifting during transit, keeping belongings secure. Using packing cubes or compression bags ensures that items remain in place, reducing movement inside the suitcase. Wrapping fragile items in clothing or bubble wrap provides extra cushioning, reducing the risk of breakage. For added protection, marking the suitcase as fragile can encourage baggage handlers to be more careful, although this isn't always guaranteed. Hiding expensive or high-value items deep inside the suitcase instead of placing them in outer compartments reduces the likelihood of theft. Additionally, keeping emergency essentials such as a change of clothes in a carry-on bag ensures that important items are accessible in case of luggage delays. Number 6. Take photos of luggage before checking it in. A simple yet effective way to protect checked luggage is by taking clear photos of the suitcase before handing it over at the check-in counter. These photos serve as proof of the bag's condition, color, and design, making it easier to identify in case of loss or damage. If an airline misplaces a bag, having recent pictures can speed up the recovery process. Most airlines ask for a description of missing luggage, and showing an image eliminates guesswork. Additionally, photographing the baggage claim tag ensures that all details, including tracking numbers, are easily accessible if needed. For extra security, taking photos of important contents inside the suitcase can serve as evidence if an airline denies responsibility for lost or damaged items. This documentation strengthens claims for reimbursement, ensuring that travelers receive proper compensation. Number 7. Use an AirTag or GPS tracker. Technology has made it easier to track checked luggage in real time. Apple AirTags, tile trackers, or GPS luggage trackers can be placed inside a suitcase, allowing travelers to monitor its location through a smartphone app. These devices are especially useful in cases where airlines misroute bags. Instead of relying solely on airline tracking systems, travelers can check exactly where their suitcase is at any moment. If a bag is accidentally sent to the wrong destination, having a tracker makes it easier to inform airline staff and speed up the recovery process. For long-haul flights with layovers, these trackers can confirm whether a suitcase made it onto the connecting flight. Many travelers use them as an added layer of security, knowing that they have full control over tracking their luggage, even if the airline cannot provide immediate answers. Number 8. Avoid checking in luggage too early or too late. Timing is crucial when it comes to checking in luggage. Checking in too early, especially more than 3 to 4 hours before departure, can increase the chances of bags getting misplaced. When luggage is left sitting for long periods, it may be moved to a different storage area, increasing the risk of mishandling. On the other hand, checking in too late can also lead to problems. If a bag is processed too close to departure time, there's a higher chance it won't make it onto the plane. Some last-minute checked bags end up being placed on later flights, causing unnecessary delays. The best approach is to check in luggage within the recommended time frame provided by the airline, typically 2 to 3 hours before departure for international flights and 1 to 2 hours for domestic flights. This ensures that bags are processed efficiently while minimizing the risk of misplacement. Number 9. Secure liquids and fragile items properly. One of the biggest concerns with checked luggage is spillage from liquids and breakage of fragile items. Pressure changes in the cargo hold can cause bottles to leak, while rough handling may lead to shattered glass or broken electronics. To avoid these issues, proper packing is essential. Liquids should always be sealed tightly and placed in leak-proof bags. Using Ziploc bags or waterproof pouches prevents spills from ruining clothes and other belongings. If traveling with wine, perfumes, or fragile souvenirs, wrapping them in bubble wrap or thick clothing provides extra cushioning. Hard-shell suitcases offered better protection than soft-sided ones when carrying breakable items. For electronics such as cameras or laptops, using protective cases ensures that they are shielded from impact. It's always recommended to carry valuable electronics in a carry-on bag whenever possible, as checked baggage is not always handled gently. Number 10. Track and report issues immediately. Even with the best precautions, sometimes luggage still gets lost or damaged. Immediate action increases the chances of a quick resolution. As soon as baggage is collected, checking it for any signs of tampering, damage, or missing items is crucial. If there is a problem, reporting it before leaving the airport ensures that the airline takes responsibility. Most airlines have dedicated lost and found or baggage claim counters where travelers can file a complaint. Providing photos of the luggage, baggage claim receipts, and tracking information can speed up the process. If an airline misplaces a bag, knowing the baggage tracking number helps locate it faster. For lost luggage, airlines typically offer compensation or reimbursement for essential expenses like clothing and toiletries. Filing a claim as soon as possible increases the chances of receiving financial support during the waiting period. Some travel insurance policies also cover lost or delayed luggage, so checking the coverage details before flying can provide extra peace of mind. Traveling should be exciting, not stressful, and taking the right precautions can ensure that checked luggage stays safe from loss, damage, or theft. Whether it's using strong locks, GPS trackers, or proper packing techniques, these simple steps can make a huge difference in protecting belongings during a trip. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel advice and smart packing strategies. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, enjoy your travels with peace of mind.